Okay, got the bed painted. Turned out slick. Get it mounted on the truck now. Starting to come together. Okay, we got the bed back on the truck. Alan got the back of the cab buffed. Got all that slicked up. That way we get the bed set back on. Got the door and stuff ultra-fine there ready for buffing. Starting to come together. That ain't starting to shine. I don't know what it is, do you?
Yeah. They say black is slimming, is it? No.
Well, the camera's putting the tin back on that
The black
took off. Okay, we got the truck water sanded. Got it buffed out. As you can see, it's slick. That is shiny right there. Got it all wiped down. Still need to do some waxing, but it's been polished. All the body panels are bolted on it, except for the cowl and the tailgate. We're fixing to start putting the doors, get the handles, locks, carpet, dash, instrument panel, seat, glass, front, back, the door glasses. Get the fuel doors on it. Get it put together. And we'll pull it out in the sunlight. Really look at it. Okay, we're about to put the fuel doors on. Put some tape around them. Keep from skinning up the paint. It's kind of tricky fitting these things in there. We got the right side on already. Now we're fixing to put the left. I don't know how much trouble it is.
Yeah, somebody will comment. I ain't never had this much trouble with one.
Back when I was putting gas doors on. Well, I had this much trouble like 10 minutes ago on the other side.
Dude, you're killing me. That is not sounding good. Man, I'm about terrible at recording. Shaking all over the place when I move. I just fell.
One of them things. They make it look weird.
You see? God, you're gonna have to get a respirator break.
What is it?
This is really probably the good stuff. Be bleeped out.
Maybe you need to do what you call it,
Bloopers, a bloopers video behind the scenes.
Cut scenes.
An hour later, I got the.
An hour and 2 oxygen.
I got part of the wire installed. I worked 3 hours in the shop tonight. What y'all gonna do? Well, one gas door on. Partial installation of the door.
What's gonna be bad is I'm gonna be laughing like crazy.
It fits.
It's good to
Alright, we got the bolts and all in, the door on. Got these little rubber bumpers. Put in that hole to keep it from slamming. Spray a little glass cleaner soap like on so it'll pull through. Voila. Don't let me hold up a working man. Smoothing up the tailgate, please.
See, it says that. Well, I give you out, man.
You didn't know it was going to work, you did you? When you showed up around here.
You don't have to do all this.
They allowed to get us for child slave labor.
I heard that.